Barney. Okay. Hello, peoples. It is the Mist Warriors, and today, too bad, we're gonna be doing make the weirdest outfit ever. Like, as you can see, I already have like the hottest outfit ever. Just like look at this outfit. It's so hot. Okay, so we will start off. We will start off using any animal we want. So I'm just gonna buy a rhino, okay? Sorry if part of the screen is like awkwardly cut off. Dang it, they're traveling! This is so mean. All the weird animals are traveling. You know what? Monkeys.
This is so kawaii, like look at this.
No offense to monkey users, like monkeys are kawaii too, just it's easier to make them look weird. Okay, so now I have to do.
This is kawaii. It's the kawaiiest thing I've ever seen.
Oh, okay. Old. Isn't there like gassy or something like that? Yep,
Oh God,
gassy.
that's so weird.
What the heck? Why would you name something gassy? Like, excuse me?
This is totally. Oh yeah.
Okay, old gassy.
Ew, look at this.
What? What? Let me see. Old. Okay, old gassy bell. That's perfect. This is perfect. It's not even like a mask. You can still see the head. I love how like one eye is just bigger than the other. It's always just like, what, mate? Okay.
Oh my
So-
God, look at this.
Wait,
I
what?
have too many weird items.
Oh, okay.
What the heck? Yep, totally stab your pizza.
This is perfect. This is the perfect
Everyone
look.
stabs their pizza with their horn, right, guys? Right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is perfect.
I don't know what to put. What?
Oh, look at this. Look at this. I wonder what happens if you wear the eyeball mask and a spike collar on the horn.
Oh my God, I'm gonna do that. Oh, it actually fits.
Let me see. Oh.
What if there were spikes sticking out of the eyeball? That would be gross.
Ew. All these items actually look pretty okay. Just really weird. Oh my gosh, it's just like sticking through the head. Oops. My monkey is looking so hot.
May, same. Keep doing that.
Nah. Oh, perfect. You see this? You see this monkey? This monkey? It'll steal your boyfriend. This monkey will steal your boyfriend. Yeah.
I have a disease that's called being hot.
XD. Oh, yes, this will steal your boy. You see that right there? It'll steal your boy. Like, look at that booty. It's a booty. Just zoom in on it. Zooming in on the booty. See that? And then the eyeballs just like awkwardly there. Okay.
Okay. I'm so fab. I'm gonna like. I'm like it. I got
Okay.
this. I'm like this. Okay.
Ugh, I can't sit down. Okay.
Okay, next animal, because I have to go.
Okay.
in like 10 minutes.
Next animal. This time you have to use a different animal. So I'm gonna use a polar bear.
I'm gonna use.
All our friends are probably gonna be wondering why our animals look like this.
Yeah, I'm just gonna like walk around and really like.
But
Oh
like
my
this
God,
look
like
is
an
already the
apple.
hottest thing ever. So it's not like you can really top that, but I'll try. Oh gosh, look at this.
I'm already Satan.
Dude,
Right
look
now.
at this. That fox hat though.
I'm Satan.
Oh my gosh! Look at this. Look at this. It's a winner.
Chicken hat. Everything looks good on the fox. Its head is the perfect size.
Oh. This looks hot so far. I don't know why I think everything is hot, but
'Cause it is.
true. Can't find anything. Okay, that's good. Nope.
My sweater's not showing up on me.
Oh. When Animal Jam glitches. Hard life. Oh gosh, this is perfect. No, I can't find it. Nothing's weird enough.
Oh my God.
Wait.
I have 8 minutes.
Cree. Okay, I got it. Wait. Because you gotta add the purple lightning. That's our logo. There we go. This is mine. Look at
Look at
me.
mine.
I'm
Mine's
so fat.
I know. Like, look at my dance moves. And look at this fat tail.
No, but look at this. Zoom in on that.
Look, zoom in on that gut.
XD. Zoom in.
Okay, next animal, bye.
Okay.
I have to like go to the bottom of my list of animals because they're the one that I usually use.
Oh.
Dang it, dolphin.
I don't really have any animals. So. Okay. I'm gonna use a llama. Very creative.
My llama's too cool. Actually, no, it's not cool anymore because I have to change it.
Okay, so first you gotta make the weirdest colors ever. So this.
What the heck? Yep, a baseball cap is totally elf bracelet. We're just gonna, yep, that totally is.
Oh my gosh, this is actually kind of kawaii. Look at this. It's kawaii.
I don't know what world you're in, but I'm sorry.
Oh. Okay, so
Record swag.
I don't really know what to put. Like, not that much stuff looks weird on a llama.
Oh, yep.
Okay, I got it. I got this one. This is hot. This is hot.
This eyeball is glitched.
So you gotta get a lollipop necklace.
I have a lollipop.
Show them that you taste good. I don't know why I said that.
Oh yeah, I need this sweater because it looks really good.
Oops. Okay, so what else do I have?
Trying to hide your purse like.
I don't have any good things to put on the llama. see if there's anything in Jammart clothing.
Oh my god, I'm like totally covered up. You can't even see anything.
Wait, no, we have a winner. Okay, let's see.
Look at you're like trying to hide your purse, like.
Let me see. Let me see.
It's like under the sweater.
Wow. Look at me though. Okay, wait, I gotta get that turd tail. The raccoon tail looks weird on every animal except for the raccoon and the Arctic wolf.
And fox.
Yeah. Okay. See that? These dance
Look at mine.
moves.
Look at my tail.
I don't understand how Animal Jam finds the Scully inappropriate when you can like literally, that just looks so, never mind.
How much time do we have left?
Brain fart, 4 minutes. Okay, let's, so let's do one more animal, last animal. Pig.
Well, that sounded really wrong.
Oh, heavy breathing.
Dorothy, why would you say that?
I don't know. Okay. Now, you gotta make the pig look weird. You see, weird pigs are always the weirdest.
Should I wear a chalk in a hat?
Okay, do it.
Wait, did I say your name?
I don't know. I wasn't really listening, so. Oh, okay. This is it. This is the end of humanity.
I look bald.
Okay. I need a back item. No, I don't have a good back item. Help.
Same.
All my back items are derpy, but none of them are derpy enough. Okay, I got it. I got this one. Just look at me. Look at me.
That actually looks cool.
Your goat looks kawaii.
I like yours.
My No, but like look at this. Okay.
Okay, we have to end it in 2 minutes.
Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
And they actually have an ending this time without us cutting us off.
Okay, fine. I hope you guys enjoy. Why am I repeating myself? Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you guys in our next video. Goodbye.
Bye.